Join me as I dive into the world of meditation and challenge myself to find the easiest technique for beginners. Meditation is often seen as this mystical, esoteric practice that only seasoned yogis or monks can master. But the truth is, anyone can benefit from meditation, regardless of their background or experience level. In fact, meditation can be a game changer for beginners, helping to reduce stress, improve focus, and even boost mood. But if you're new to meditation, getting started can feel overwhelming. When we think of meditation, we often imagine someone sitting cross-legged on a mountaintop, utterly still and silent, with a look of deep concentration on their face. But the reality is, most of us don't have the time, patience, or flexibility to achieve this level of mastery. In fact, many beginners struggle to sit still for even a few minutes, let alone an hour. Another common challenge is dealing with distractions, whether it's the sound of traffic outside, the buzzing of our phone, or simply the chatter of our own mind. And, let's be honest, it's easy to get discouraged when we can't seem to quiet our mind or achieve that elusive state of inner peace. Additionally, there are many misconceptions about meditation that can hold beginners back. For example, some people think meditation means completely clearing your mind of thoughts, which is not only unrealistic but also unnecessary. Others believe you need to be in a specific environment, like a quiet room or a peaceful nature setting, to meditate effectively. But the truth is, you can meditate anywhere, anytime, as long as you have a few minutes to spare. So, how do we overcome these challenges and get started with meditation? One of the simplest and most effective techniques for beginners is mindful breathing. It's easy to learn, can be done anywhere, and requires minimal equipment, just your breath. To start, find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Simply focus on the sensation of the air moving in and out of your nostrils. When your mind wanders, and it will, gently bring it back to your breath without judgment. As you practice mindful breathing, remember that it's not about achieving a specific state or feeling a certain way. It's about being present in the moment. Don't worry if your mind starts to wander, or if you feel like you're not doing it right. The goal is to cultivate awareness and patience. And the best part is, you can start with just a few minutes a day and gradually increase your practice as you become more comfortable with the technique. I'd like to share a personal story that illustrates the transformative power of mindful breathing. I was going through a particularly stressful period in my life, and I found it difficult to quiet my mind and focus on my breath. But I persisted, committing to just 5 minutes of mindful breathing each day. Slowly but surely, I started to notice changes. I felt more calm, more centered, and more capable of handling life's challenges. In fact, one of the most profound insights I gained from my mindful breathing practice was the realization that I didn't have to be controlled by my thoughts. I could observe them, acknowledge them, and let them go, rather than getting caught up in their drama. It was incredibly liberating, and it's a feeling I wish to pass on to you. In today's video, we've covered the benefits of meditation for beginners, common challenges that hold us back, and the simplest technique to get started, mindful breathing. Remember, the key is to be patient, kind, and gentle with yourself as you embark on your meditation journey. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's been your experience with meditation so far? Do you have any questions or tips to share? And if you're ready to take your meditation practice to the next level, be sure to check out another video on advanced techniques for further exploration.